In today's video, I'll teach you how to enable GIFs in Microsoft Teams. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Microsoft Teams application. You can see over here, I've already opened it. So if you want to enable the GIFs, what you have to do is go to settings. At top, you'll be able to find various options over here. Click on the three dots that you can see on the screen. Now, once you do that, you'll be able to find the options like settings, help, feedback, zoom, etc. Click on the first option, settings. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. Initially, you'll be in the general interface. At left, you'll be able to find the options like general, appearance, notifications and activity, accounts and orgs, etc. Find the option for privacy and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the privacy interface. Now you'll be able to access the options related with privacy settings over here. What you have to do is simply find this option for optional connected experiences. If you enable this option, you'll be able to enhance your team's experience with cloud-based services including Giphy, URL, preview and more. So what you have to do is toggle on this option. Now you can see over here it has been toggled on. Now you have just enabled the GIFs on Microsoft Teams. So that is how you enable GIFs on Microsoft Teams. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.